Hello, everyone, and welcome to Los Angeles English. I'm so glad you're here. Today's episode is your shadowing speaking practice. This means you'll listen, repeat, and speak English with me. Don't worry about being perfect. We're here to practice, not to perform. Ready? Let's get started. How was your day? Did anything make you smile today? Even if your answer is not really, that's okay. You're here, and that already means you're improving. Let's be honest, just listening to English isn't enough. If you want to speak better English, you have to speak out loud. That's where shadowing helps. Shadowing means you copy how I speak, my sounds, rhythm, and tone, just like an echo. It trains your mouth, your ears, and your brain all at once. So don't stress about mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you're learning. Even 5 minutes of practice every day is better than one long study session once a week. Are you ready? Take a deep breath. Let's speak English together. Shadowing practice set 1. I'll say each sentence 3 times. Listen carefully, then repeat out loud with me. I am learning English. I am learning English. I am learning English. I am not afraid to make mistakes. I am not afraid to make mistakes. I am not afraid to make mistakes. I understand more each day. I understand more each day. I understand more each day. I feel proud of my progress. I feel proud of my progress. I feel proud of my progress. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I speak slowly and clearly. I speak slowly and clearly. I speak slowly and clearly. I try every day. I try every day. I try every day. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I trust my journey even if it's slow. I trust my journey even if it's slow. I trust my journey even if it's slow. Nice work! You've already completed 10 sentences. Let's keep going. Shadowing practice set 2. My effort today builds my fluency tomorrow. I am growing every time I practice. My journey is beautiful, even if it's slow. I speak to express, not to be perfect. I am building confidence one word at a time. I am getting better every day. I can understand more than I think. Speaking out loud helps me improve. I show up even when it's hard. Every mistake helps me learn. You're doing amazing. You should feel proud, really proud. Shadowing practice final set. Take a short break. Stretch your neck. Smile. Okay, ready? Let's finish the last 10 together. 21. Every day I become more confident in English. Speaking clearly is something I can do. I am proud of my progress, even when it's small. English is not hard, it's just new. I learn something new each time I try. I am building strong English habits today. My English gets better with every word I say. Even small practice makes a big difference. I am patient with myself and my progress. This is just the beginning of my English success. Well done! You've just finished your Day 1 English Shadowing Challenge. You listened, spoke, and stayed with me all the way, and that's what really matters. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about showing up, speaking out loud, and believing in yourself. You're doing something powerful. Keep going. Come back to this video whenever you want to practice again. Until next time, keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep learning. I'm so proud of you. See you in Day 2 of our English Speaking Challenge.